Changing your primary email on Chase Bank is a straightforward process that can be completed online. Follow these steps to update your email address effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Chase Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Profile and Preferences. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile and Preferences section, find and click on Contact Information. This will display your current email addresses associated with your account. Step 4. Update your email address. Look for the option to edit your primary email address. Enter your new email address and ensure it is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, click the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email address will be updated in your Chase Bank account. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.